exam ready? Get ready for your exam with us. Now we will solve the exercise 1.1, and previously we have understand the properties of rational number. What are the rational number? And if you don't understand the properties, I'll suggest you, before solving the exercise, please go and watch my previous videos in which I have explained the properties very well, and I am mentioning the link of those videos in the description box. Okay, now just we are solving the question number 1 of exercise 1.1. What does the question says? It says, using appropriate properties, find the value of this given equation. Okay, so what does it says? Here, see that it is given that minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So after seeing that, we have observed that 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 here is a common thing. So we can write it as this as well. We moved this term before 5 by 2 because we need to take common 3 by 5 in this given situation. Okay, so 3 by 5 will take common. So what will get? Minus 2 by 3 minus same will remain same as, and 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now can you tell me what the properties we have applied here? We have applied the distributive property. What does distributive property says? Distributive property says when we multiply a rational number with the addition of to another rational number, we'll distribute that number among the another two, that is a multiply b plus b multiply c. Okay, so here as well 3 by 5 and 3 by 5, it is the reverse of that. The given statement is like this, we have changed to this. Okay, so 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 both are multiplying with 2 by 3 and 1 by 6, so we have taken the 3 by 5 as common. Okay, now let's just solve it. First of all, we will solve the bracket. 3 and 6 both are different numbers, so we'll take LCM of that, and the LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6. How we are solving the LCM? The number is 3 and 6. We are doing the prime factorization of it. So first of all, it will divide with 2. Because 3 is not in the table of 2, 3 will remain as it is. And 6, when we divide 6 with 2, we'll get 3. Now 3 and 3 both are not dividing with 2, so we'll divide it with 3 because 3 is also a prime number. 3, when we divide 3 with 3, we'll get 1 and 1. Okay, so the LCM of these number will be 2 multiply 3, that is 6. I hope you understand how we take the LCM of any two numbers or any three numbers. Okay, so we get the 6 as LCM, and after dividing 6 with 3, because I also told you earlier how to take the LCM, we divide the denominator with the denominator and what will get answer, we'll divide it with the numerator. Okay, when we divide 6 with 3, we'll get 2, and when we multiply 2 with 2, we'll get 4. When we divide 6 with 6, we'll get 1, and when 1 will be multiplied with 1, we'll get 1. 5 by 2 will remain same. Now -4 and -1, because both are of same sign, will get the result as the addition of these two numbers, that is 4 plus 1 will get 5. Because both the numbers have minus sign in front of them, the result will also be -5. Okay, I hope you know that what is minus and minus when we multiply with minus and minus, minus and plus. If you don't, just let me know, I'll make another video for that. Okay, so because here is no sign, so what we will assume that these two numbers are multiplying with each other. Whenever there is a bracket and there is no sign in between any these number or any of the number, we will assume that these two numbers are multiplying with each other. So when we multiply 3 with 5, we'll get -15, and when we multiply 5 with 6, we'll get 30, and 5 by 2 will remain as. Now because 15 and 30 are in numerator and denominator, we can also cancel it here, because both are dividing with the same number, that is 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So what we will get is -1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Here the denominators are same, so we'll get the LCM same, that is 2, and the numerator is also same, that is -1 plus 5. So the answer will be, because here is minus and here is plus, two different signs, so the numbers will get subtract from each other. So when we subtract 1 from the 5, we will get 4, and the denominator will be 2, and 2 and 4, when we divide 4 with 2, we'll get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The answer will be 2. I hope you get it. Okay, now we'll solve the next question. Here also we have given some terms, so let's just take a look if anything is being common in this whole term. Okay, here in this term and here in this term, in both the terms 2 and 5 and 2 and 5 are common, so we will write these two terms together and this term separately. Okay, so what we will do, we will write 2 by 5 multiply minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 multiply 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. So in this term also we will take 2 by 5 as common, because it is in this term as well as in this term. So minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 will be in bracket, and this, here you can see 3 and 6 both are being multiplying, and one is in numerator and another in denominator. It is, we can cancel it out, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 multiply 1 will get 1, 2 multiply 2 will get 4. And what the property is applying here is distributive property. Again, the distributive property is applying here. What does the distributive property says? A multiply B plus C, we will get A as distributed among B and C. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, we'll solve the bracket first of all. 7 and 14, we'll get the LCM 14. I told you how to get the LCM. 7, 14, because first of all, we'll divide it with 7 because 14 comes in the table of 2. 7 is not coming in the table of 2, so 7 will remain same as. When we divide 14 with 2, we'll get 7. Now, the 7 and 7 are the prime numbers, so it will be divided with 7 itself. So we'll divide it with 7. So after multiplying 2 and 7, what we will get? We'll get 14. So what the LCM is? 14. When we divide 14 with 7, we'll get 2. When we multiply 2 with 3, we'll get 6 plus 14 divided by 14 will get 1, and 1 multiply 1 will get 1, and 1 by 4 will remain same. Here one sign is negative, one sign is positive. So what we will do, we will subtract these two numbers. 1 is subtracted from 6, we'll get 5 because 6 is the bigger number and minus sign is here, so we'll put minus sign here as well. 14 minus 1 by 4. As I told you earlier, because these two rational numbers are being separated by with this bracket and there is no sign in between them before bracket, so what we will assume, these two numbers are multiplying. So 5 is in denominator and 5 is in numerator. It will cancel out. So what we will get, also the 14 is being divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 7s are 14. We will get minus 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 4. Now 7 and 4 are two different numbers. We will get LCM as, let's see, 7 and 4. Because 7 and 4 are co-prime numbers, so the LCM will be the product of them, that is 7 4s are 28. And after we divide 28 with 7, we will get 4. And when 4 is multiplying with 1, we'll get minus 4. Again, when 28 is being divided by 4, we'll get 7. And when 7 is multiplied with 1, we'll get 7 as itself. Minus 4 and minus 7, because both the sign are same, so both the numbers will get add. So we will get minus 11 by 28 is our answer. I hope you get it. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.